Hello to my unique people. Hi to my unique base. Welcome back to my channel. This is Unique Skin. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Also click the like button and leave your comments down below. Okay, today I'll be talking about some nice good serums that are not too expensive, okay, but they are also very good, and they are also made with natural ingredients. They're not too much on the expensive side, okay. It's not like it's cheap, but it's not like that expensive. Okay, today I'll be talking about these serums. They are meant for lightening and for those that want to glow their skin, okay. This serum will take care of that when used properly. Okay, the first serum is called skin free milk. Skin-free milk has been around for a while. It's a very good serum. It's meant to be added to your lotion, to your cream, and you apply on your body. It's very good. Be sure to buy the original because they're also fake of skin-free milk. But when you get the original, if you can lay your hands on the original skin-free milk, it's sure to give you good results. It's not a harsh product, like I said. Do not use it directly on your skin, please, because a lot of people want fast thing. Please guys, there's no fast thing, except you want to spoil your skin. Please use it the right way which you are supposed to use it, okay. This is skin-free milk, and also make sure you get the original skin-free milk. It's usually sealed with some nylon. Is sealed, so get the original. So the second one I'll be talking about is Collagen Extra White. Yes, Collagen Extra White serum. This serum, it's a very good serum. I mean, when I say good, I mean it's very good, and it's not that expensive, okay. The good thing about the serum is that it also have vitamin E and also have collagen to it. You know, I love collagen. Yeah, I love collagen. So this is a very good serum. Extra white, Collagen Extra White serum is a very good serum. It's also meant to be added to your lotion or to your cream. It's a very good serum, guys, because of the collagen and the vitamin E that is added to the serum. Make sure you also get the original one, because I've actually seen the fake of this serum, okay. So make sure you get the authentic one. It's usually sealed like this, okay, and this is how it comes. It's in this form, and this is how it is, okay. So the next serum we'll be talking about is Skin Freedom Concentrate. Skin Freedom Concentrate serum. This serum is also a very good serum because it has collagen and glutathione. It has collagen and glutathione, which is very essential for the body, okay. And it's also added to your lotion and to your cream. They claim here that you can apply this directly on your skin, but I do not advice to you applying this directly on your skin. Please do mix this with your lotion or your cream, and you're sure to get the right result. It's also sealed, okay, you can see, and it has this golden template on the bottle, on the cover bottle. So it's sealed. Okay, so be sure to get the authentic one too, because there are so many fake serum outside there. You don't really want to lay your hands on the fake serum. That's why you once you get a good seller that sells a good serum, that's authentic, you don't have to start going up and down. I mean, get the good authentic serum, and you sure to get you won't waste your money, and you will also get a very good result. So the last one we'll be talking about is Magic White Potion. Magic White Potion. This also comes sealed this way, okay? It's also sealed. You can see it's sealed. So this serum, as small as it is very effective. When I say effective, I mean very effective. It is two of the other one is made with collagen and glutathione, and the other one is made with just collagen and vitamin A and some other products. But this is made with fruit acid. Okay, fruit acid is natural to use on the skin. It's very good. It's not harsh product. All the three are not harsh serums, but they are very good serums, although not too cheap, but it's not expensive. Okay, it's not as expensive as the glutathione super compram forte. Glutathione super compram forte, it's a bit expensive, but if you can get that, it's very good. So but if you can't afford that, you can also get the collagen extra white or the skin free milk, or you get the skin freedom, or you get this magic portion. Now, depending on the quantity of the lotion you want to make, that will determine how many of each of the serum you have to add to your lotion, and some other essential ingredients to boost your lotion. Okay, I will say this, guys, please, as much as possible, most of us want to go shades, 2 shades, 3 shades lighter. Let's do it the right way. Let's do it the right way. I mean, damaging your skin, it's not a choice at all. That's why some people, when they see some good products, they say it's expensive. It's expensive, but it's a very good product, and it takes a while before you get your result. I think it's better for you to wait for a while to get your result, and you still get a good glowing skin, than to look for 2 days, 3 days, 1 week result, and you tend to damage your skin. Please, guys, please, let's do whatever we want to do, whether we want to go shades lighter, or maintain our complexion, or glow our complexion. Let's do it the right way. Let's do it the right way. You don't have to damage your skin because you want to go 3 shades lighter. Please, let's try and do things appropriately, please. I'm so much in concern about so many people damaging their skin, because it takes so much to revive your skin back. It takes so much. It's not something you can damage, and I mean, please guys, let's just do things appropriately. I love good skin. If you are dark, you want to maintain your dark skin, maintain your dark skin. There's nothing wrong with dark skin people. I mean, they are as beautiful as the light skin people. I say this. If you are light skin, you want to maintain your light skin, do maintain your light skin and glow your skin. Okay, you don't have to do whatever every other people are doing, and I am not against those people that want to go shades lighter. Okay, but if you want to go 2 shades 3 shades lighter, that's your choice, but do it the right way. Let's do it the right way. I mean, take it easy and build your skin. Okay, do it the right way so that you will not damage your skin. This is very, very essential. We don't want to be going about with damaged skin, and don't want to be going about with damaged skin. You want to have very good, lovely, glowing skin. Okay, so please, let's do things appropriately. Let's do it the right way, the safer way. Okay, the safest way if it's possible, and let's take things easy. Okay, when you take things easy, you tend to get the right result. Okay, guys, thank you for watching today. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for watching. This is the end of my video. Please, guys, please do subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Also click the like button and leave your comment down below. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I'll be signing out at Unique Skin. You know how we do it.